How to install the drawer safe. Pull out the drawer. Open the drawer with backup key on the drawer bottom. Uncover the battery cabin. Install 4 double alkaline batteries. Backlight of lock panel on with a beep, power on. Testing, scan any finger, it can unlock the drawer. Discharge the inner drawer. Press the buckles on both sides of the rails, left upwards while right downwards, then pull out the drawer. Place the outer safe to the desired position. Align the safe with the drawer according to the drawer design. Install the safe into the drawer by screws. Fully extend the rails, then pull the buckles on the forefront. Align both sides of the drawer with the rails and install it to the body of the safe. Moves back and forth 4 times. If it works well, fully push the drawer to bottom. Testing, scan any finger, the drawer will pop up. If working, then close the drawer. Install drawer door. First paste double side tape. It helps install the door easily. Pre-install the handle on the drawer door. Align the drawer with the door, then press the door by force. Pull out the drawer slightly, then open by fingerprint. Install the door on the safe by screws on both sides. Adjust the door to lessen the gaps, then fasten the screws. The installation is completed.